Alright, hopefully it'll be a little less spazzy in this video, but I'm trying to unlock a few of these safes. So, with that said, let's Interesting. I was able to unlock that right out of the gate. So, what am I going to do now? Well, a save. Here's a video I just uploaded. This guy commented, and well, I don't think that's the case, my good sir. Because clearly, when the game actually works right, as you just saw, I'm able to unlock these safes without any issue. So, with that said, let's butcher the rest of the AI. Somewhat. Okay, guess I'm not. Try through the roof again.
I'm detecting a safe nearby. We could make use of whatever is inside, provided you had some digipics and a disregard for personal property rights.
Alright, save the game again. So, as you just saw, I was able to unlock that lock I was having issues with. First time right out of the gate, apparently, this time around. So let's try unlocking this safe, because clearly, if I'm able to unlock that safe, I should be able to unlock this one too with one go. And would you look at that? I'm physically unable to unlock this safe because the game fails to actually give you the proper combinations. Now yes, I could do this. And it does technically work. But then I rerun into the exact same issue. Unless I go the other way. Yep. The exact same issue as before. So, clearly, I should be able to unlock this safe right out of the gate. Because unlike the other safe I just unlocked, this one is physically designated by the game to try and unlock it. And yet, I can't. Unless I do that, again, because I'm too stupid. And of course, now I can't unlock it. So, yeah. What am I supposed to do? Huh? The only other method is to physically reload my game save. I might remind you, this is a save the game tells you to unlock. Guess I could just tell it to open up another set of gates, but again, proven by the safe I just unlocked prior to this one, it should be feasibly done in one go. Again, these are the beginner safes of the game. You're not supposed to have this level of difficulty right out of the fucking gate. Now I expect this around maybe the 10th or 11th safe, but the first safe the game physically points you to? No. Oh, would you look at that? I can finally unlock ring number 1. Oh, fuck you. Tell how mad I'm getting. Not even what is it? Skyrim was this bad. Finally. How many reloads did that take? Like what? 5? Let's go and try try and unlock that door again. Cheerios were stuck in my throat. Fuck you. Just fuck you. Actually, fuck you. Actually pissing me off. What the actual fuck? The actual fuck? There's only one gate. The actual fuck is this? I'm actually unironically mad right now. This is fucking... No bugs in this game, my fat ass frit. Fuck you! Actually, fuck you! You know what? Fuck this! I accidentally tried deleting the record file. Get the fuck off my computer! Actually, get the fuck off my computer.